And we made it with the squad today, guys. Sheesh. We got Kicks, we got Anthro, the Nissan boys. Too bad I don't have my GTR. But we got the BMW today. Crazy 240. I think this thing makes like 1,000 horsepower. Fresh zapatos?
I almost wore this today.
We would have been 20. How are you? Damn, fresh Kicks.
Fresh Kicks likes a fresh Kicks.
Anthro's GTR is so fire. I cannot wait to get mine back, guys. I think literally like 2 more days and we get my car back. This time for real. Cannot wait, guys. This one reminds me of mine so much. We got like the same wheels now, same trunk. This car's just white. Like it looks like my car, but just in the white version. Got that Stormtrooper vibes. It used to be purple, if you guys remember. Damn, who's that? McLaren. Yup. I knew it. The homie Sean. All I'm missing, guys, is the carbon hood right there. She'll be fire. Sheesh. Oh, I need that. I need to get one of those, guys, just in case, huh? Fire extinguisher. Kicks brought the Z out finally. This shit's sick. I don't know how he's driving it with these slicks on in this weather. It's literally drizzling. My whole camera's wet. But look at this. Oh yeah, he's catching. That's scary, bro. This shit is so clean though. Show car, race car, all the above. Literally the cleanest Z you'll ever see. If you guys have seen it in person, you guys know what I mean. Damn, we pretty much got a car meet here alone with us, with the whole squad. 240. Like I said, I think this thing makes like 1,000 horsepower. We were supposed to film a video with him, but we just haven't gotten around to it. Shit's clean. You don't have to air out on me, bro. That shit's sick.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? How are you?
Yeah, good, good.
They actually got a Tesla screen?
Yeah.
Look at that screen, bro. It's just clean. Bro, look at the screen in there. Some more Beamers over here. E92. Sheesh, with the polished wheels. And my boy with the GTR with the polished TEs. So sick. This one's so clean. So simple too. Like no carbon, anything. It's literally stock with just TEs. And it looks good. Then I got my boy with the Hellcat. Shit is crazy. He's also crazy for being on slicks in this rain. Anyways, let's roll out. Let's go to this Cars and Coffee. Be a cool little cruise there. I think we got like a 30-minute drive from here. Shit hard too. That shit stick shift. That's super clean. More Beamers. Bro, the lineup doesn't end. All right, we out. 1,000, all of them. Even Atto too. Damn it, I need a fast car again, guys. Bro, this dude's wearing my merch, guys. No way. That's so sick. Tell me that's not the best shirt you can wear on a street bike. GTRs, guys. Oh, I want mine back. I cannot wait. It's so freaking sick. 18s, 20s. Which do you guys like better? I like the 18s with the fat tire. Those look good though. There's a lot of sick cars out here. Z? The Z's actually fire. 350. Talking about Z's though, I think Kicks got pulled over, guys. As soon as we were getting off the freeway, the cop got him out of everyone. They might have state refed him, bro. We're gonna talk to Kicks right now. Hopefully not, dude. I'm telling you, I hate the state ref bullshit here and exhaust laws, everything like that. We were not even doing anything when we got off the freeway. We got off so chill, and they just went after him. He literally wasn't doing nothing. It's just fire, though. I don't know why they went after him out of everyone. Probably because of the tire, huh? The tire's a dead giveaway. Again, it just sucks, bro, driving in California and wanting to have a nice car. It's so sad, bro. No way they stay lefty.
Pulled over 3 people in like 2 minutes.
For real?
Just popped the hood, so like not even like.
Oh, hell no, I'm going home. That sucks, dude.
Just popped the hood, right? No, I got a carb sticker too. I was like, I got a carb sticker. He's like, the headers are modified. I'm like, they're stock headers, bro. He's like, well, you can take that up with the judge.
That's so stupid.
Alright, bro.
Damn, all over Peter. Manual V, and it's manual Peter. Sheesh, another wagon in the wild. Another wagon, what the heck? He's pulled up in the wagons. The little racks on top. My boy Kicks is sad.
Bro,
Fresh ref.
I've been driving for what? That shit's been boosted for like 5 years. Never had a rep on it.
Is the first one?
All of a sudden I come to where Kim K live and I get a rep.
We gotta go back in the hood. That sucks, bro. I hate the cops here, guys. It sucks. I don't understand why it's ruining the fun, bro. Can't drive a fun car out here.
Like if they catch you doing some shit, like
that's the thing. He wasn't doing nothing. We literally drove so quiet off the freeway, and he just picked him. And then he started picking other people, I guess, popping hoods left and right.
It's crazy. I never seen someone pop so many hoods in like so little time. The G35 was trying to avoid him. He made a right, and that motherfucker he went through the red light, bro. They go follow him.
That's fucked up, dude. Got all the Inozitech cars, the F80 that we saw at Beamer Invasion. This thing's actually wrapped, guys, in a like cream color. Super nice color. Super sick setup too. It's literally like my car, but like different colorway, different color and different color wheels. We're almost the same, literally. And then they got a G80 with their PPF on it. Colored PPF, guys. Sick. BBSs. And then they got their new color that just dropped literally yesterday. It's like this orange color. I think it's based off like the Mercies, I think. Something like that, but a new color. What do you guys think? Obviously the color doesn't pick up on camera as good, but it is a pretty cool orange. I know Kevin will love this. And it has like a sparkle too in the sun. You just can't see right now because there's no freaking sun. Look at this 240, guys. Damn, dude, that's why it was so fast. Look at the big ass turbo. Sheesh. The hood exit too. Oh, that's the wastegate because it was shooting flames. It's just so nice. Look at the interior. Full race car on. Oh, that's an e-brake too? Damn, so you could drift this shit. You can race it and drift it. E36 with HREs. That's very clean. Shit nice. Look at the interior. Sheesh. I miss my car, guys. It's just so sick. I didn't even realize, look, this thing has a tire on it too. That kick setup. I feel so bad for Kicks, guys. I can't believe he got a state rep today. That sucks. I just got off the freeway all calm, and the cop got him out of everyone. And then Kicks said as soon as he got the state ref, and he was done with Kicks, he went straight to another car. Like whatever car popped up next, he pulled it over, popped his hood too. The cops are like that out here, guys. Just popping hoods left and right. State refing everyone, ruining everyone's morning. My twin, another F80. That's the one we saw the other day, actually. that shit's nice and black. This one's beautiful. Sheesh. A sand color with the same like color wheels too. That's crazy. Oh, it looks so good with those wheels. Sick. This one drifts like crazy too. Guys, look at this thing. What the? She got a hood exit. No way, bro. You guys think it's fast? A little wild on it. E92 with some polished wheels. Super clean. So simple too. Literally all you have is some carbon and some wheels and the headlights. And another E92 with TEs. 335, I think. Another Nismo. Fresh kicks. Guys, real question. What if I got a Hellcat for the channel? I was gonna say they're becoming very popular, but they're already very popular. Like everyone knows what a Hellcat is. And everyone's getting one right now too. So I don't know. What if we brought that to the channel? Like I wonder how it would do on YouTube. I feel like it would do good, guys, because there's a lot of Hellcat fans. Just as much as BMWs, I think. Because right now, like my whole audience is like mainly BMW people, but there is a huge Hellcat community. So I don't know. It might be pretty good for the YouTube channel. And it's a dope ass car. I'll definitely do like a Charger wide body like that if I got one. Look at my car though. I never show my car on the vlog that much. I love this car, dude. I honestly love this car. There's nothing bad to say about it. It's literally perfect. I love how it looks. I love how it drives. Definitely could be a little bit faster. You could always go faster. But overall, like I love this car. It looks so good how it's set up. It's literally perfect, guys. Everything I wanted in that baby. God damn. I love the T's. Yesterday we put that wing on the car and it actually looks really good. I might have to throw it on. I like it without, but I'd never seen it with the wing up until yesterday and it actually looks pretty good. But other than that, I don't know what else to do to this car, guys. I'm probably gonna do the brake calipers next week too, but sheesh. That's pretty crazy. I don't know how he's driving with the hood exit. How does kicks get a state rep, but that doesn't. Damn, I thought my front lip was bad, bro. That low life. This is pretty sick. Little drift car. Hard. It's funny, I just started my car just to warm it up and look how many people are behind me. There's so many people, bro. Should I rev it? Oh, I didn't do it. That shit is so loud. What the? Good thing they have a lift in here. Not only is Corey having bad luck with the cops, he's having bad luck with the engine too. Or the turbo or something, I don't know. Not it, boss.
Already doing my hair.
Putting it back to stock already? Damn, they got a lift though, that's good.
Turbo mic.
Well, it's back for now, guys. The race car. Shit is so clean. I guess it's just not boosting. NA kicks right now. No turbo. You can hear it a little bit. At least it looks good. So yeah, guys, I don't know what we're gonna get into, but probably got some food and then see what else we car and see what other car stuff we do.
Smell the E85.
Oh, you can smell it all.
Smell it.
Shit's strong. You kind of hear the turbo.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died, it don't